What is the one blessing God has given us across to all human beings? Something that He probably has not given to the other species. What is the one blessing that nature has given us human beings? Give a small thought. A lot of answers can come up, and normally I receive answers like ability to think, ability to move, intelligence, wisdom, knowledge, ability to understand, and all that. And my next question is, which is the least of, it takes the least of effort. The one blessing God has given all of us, I think, is the ability to smile, isn't it? Smile. For you were blessed with this ability from your birth, and it takes least of the effort to smile. Please visit gameofgiving.com